This is a window product by Seal. It's called the Seal Easy Dot Matte Window Film. It's white. I like this for a lot of different reasons. One, it's certified media. I always tend to prefer certified media. It has a vetting process. We know what it is. It was submitted for a lot of evaluation. And you can also download a certified media right into your printer. So you buy the product, it downloads right into the printer, right from the front panel. It's super easy. Everything will then link to the RIP. It synchronizes, the bidirectional communication happens. All of that is just fantastic, and one of the things about our media locator I like the most. Also, this is a great product for Windows. The reason I prefer the Easy Dot is because I'm not any good with Windows, and I'm not much at installation. And with this, it has almost like little suction cups, and it's repositionable. So I peel it away, and I get it where I need it in the window, and then I lightly squeegee it down. I use a felt squeegee when I'm doing window work. And then I get it onto the window, and if it's not quite right, I can just kind of pull it up and reposition it. Also, it has more memory, so it's not as elastic as some other products, and so when I get it where I want it, it just goes right into the window. So usually I don't have to reposition it. But if you do have to, it has like little suction cups, and they kind of come off. Think of it like a whole bunch of little mini suction cups that hold it down. It also images beautifully. I mean, the image quality is fantastic. I like this as well for print and cut. If I were doing window graphics and I wanted an image, like, just say the burger, and I wanted to get rid of the rest of this, I would then line it up, bring it into the Flexi, and then use the bitmap editor. I would put the cut marks around it, the contour cuts, and then print it with those contour cuts, so then I could use our print and cut system, and then this would just be a shape rather than a square. That's one of the things about window films, window graphics, is they're very complementary to our print and cut system. And this Seal Easy Dot, the white, one of the best things you could use with the print and cut system, in my opinion. Again, this is made by Seal. It's Easy Dot. It's certified. It's for window applications. This is going to be fairly opaque. So if you want a solid opaque in a window and you want to use this, this is a very good choice for that application.